France Paris dedicated server hosting with Ubuntu, by TheServerHost France, in Western Europe, covers historic cities, alpine villages and coastal beaches. Paris is famous for its culture houses, historic art museums such as the Louvre and other monuments such as the Eiffel Tower. The country is also known for its delicious cuisine and exquisite wines. TheServerHost France Dedicated server hosting is a technology that enables organizations to set up a single server exclusively for serving their site or program. This type of hosting is ideal for businesses that require a high degree of customization. When a business decides to sign up for a dedicated server hosting plan, the hosting provider supports all aspects of the service, including hardware maintenance, operating systems updates, security updates, customer support, etc. All dedicated server plans provide technical support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. While this is more expensive than a shared hosting plan, it can be very useful for businesses that do not want to deal with the technical aspects of their hosting service. With a dedicated server, the customer is in full control of the server and can make upgrades or changes to the software or operating system anytime they desire. Dedicated servers offer different levels of functionality. In order to choose the correct level of dedicated server hosting for your company, you should determine how your company uses websites and the amount of data each member of your staff regularly downloads. There are many dedicated servers available, and most offer a high performance level and guaranteed uptime. TheServerHost France Dedicated server hosting with Ubuntu operating system. Ubuntu is an operating system mainly written in C++ and based on Debian. It is an open source OS. The main differences with Ubuntu are that it uses the Linux kernel, which unlike with Debian, does not include a precompiled kernel. Canonical is a company that produces and provides Ubuntu, an operating system that is used in personal computers and web servers. Ubuntu consists mainly of free and open source software and is based on Debian. Ubuntu is officially available in 3 major releases: desktop, server and core for machines, which are customized for various hardware. All the previous versions can be run on the single computer alone, in a virtual environment, or on a web server. Another key advantage of Ubuntu is that it is free software. Users of the Ubuntu operating system are offered a great desktop environment. Therefore, the desktop environment of the Ubuntu is free software. With this desktop environment, users will get a rich set of features including a comprehensive media player, a better browser, access to a faster internet connection, a better package manager, and a better web server. The web server built into the Ubuntu distribution is known as Transmission. Some people may find the desktop interface of Ubuntu difficult to adapt to, but they do not have to, as the easy application packaging scripts help them get started easily. These scripts help users install apps in an efficient manner. The Ubiquiti Desktop Apps Store provides a better alternative to iTunes and Windows Store. The users of Ubuntu can download and install popular Linux apps such as Skype, XFCE, Wayland, GIMP, and Sugar among others. Some of the popular apps which are readily available for Ubuntu are the Open Weather, Firefox, Opera Emulator, Viber, Thama, Clementine, QuickTime, and Safari among many more. Apart from the desktop environment, the developers of the Ubuntu project have also worked hard to provide a free software package that is based on Debian. This package called Ubuntu Engine is used to run the Ubuntu operating system. This free software package provides users with a great amount of software that is precompiled to run on any version of the Ubuntu operating system. Data center RAD and IP based at Gravelines, Paris, Marseille, Nantes, Nice, Normandy, Strasbourg, Toulouse. For more info visit TheServerHost.